welcome back.
Yeah, boy.
For who don't know me, my name is Ileana Brooks, and I'm so glad that you're here. And today I'm gonna talk about Caribbean mom, how they bake. Okay, I don't really got the recipe about what and what them put into the bread, but as you see here, she don't make out the bread. She don't knead it. She don't, so she be eating. Ignore that. And well, that's the loaf and that's the pot. She asked me to scrub it. So well, I getting it ready so I can scrub the pot. So here it is. Just ignore my bushy hair. But hope you enjoy the video. I'm passing through. So yes guys. Soon I'm scrubbing the pot so she could put the bread to bake, because as Caribbean mom them like baking pot, some baking Bajan, but well, that's okay. So there is the pot, getting some wood to set up the fire for the pot to get hot and then put in the bread. So here it is. She got the red raisin, and well 15 minutes after,
15 minutes later.
this is the result. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Here it is.
Wow!
So yummy, so nice. She's taking it out. Ignore Shana Fukala, my aunt too. Don't kill me, aunt. This is the result. Ooh. So this is how they make coconut bread in Nicaragua. Thank you guys.